Hello everybody, I'm back again in the guest bedroom in what I hope to be the last episode. First I will need to sand down the side wall because I didn't get a chance to do that yet. I'm quite pleased with the result of the other walls. There are still some dents there, but I got some extra plaster to fix those. After that I still need to sand that again and I can start painting. After the painting is just cleaning up the room, redecorate, and I'm done. So let's begin and finish this room up.
Goed bezig hoor.
So the second layer is in and it's already looking way smoother. I don't know if you can see this on tape, but this one really needs another sanding, and this one is quite okay already. You see some small lines like here. I don't know if you can really see that, yeah. But I'll sand that down and afterwards I'm just gonna see if I can fix the corners a bit and then it's ready for a paint job. So we're ready, the room is cleaned up, time to paint. First we're gonna chalk the corners because they don't look that great yet. Let's start with that and from there on paint and finish up the room. So, chalk is done. Let's start painting. I have my help with me, so it should be done easy and fast. of painting is done. With the help I got, it went quite fast. I'm almost done with this project now. I only have to change the couch, hang up the curtains and hang up the light. With the couch I need to change the corner. It was facing the other wall, but we want to have it facing the new wall because there's the ugly floor right now, so that cover that's up. It's an IKEA couch, so it won't be that hard. Afterwards I have to hang the curtains and hang a new light, and then I'm done with this project. So let's start with the couch. So, we're done. Finally. Everything is in. Paintings on the wall again. We can live here just in time for the next big project. Soon we're gonna rebuild the living room, so it's nice to have this room done. Now we can put the TV here and live here while we'll be reconstructing our living room. It's a project that will take roughly 4 months, so it's good to have a living place. I hope you liked this video. If you have anything to say, leave a remark in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. And otherwise, I'll see you next week. Bye bye.